Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, which means Motivational Monday on my channel. I hope you've been enjoying these videos. If you are new to my channel, welcome. On Mondays, I like to do something to set you up for the week. It's a bit of a busy house here at the moment, so you might hear lots of noise going around. I think my teenager's just woken up and Aid's making me coffee. So there's lots going on here this morning, and I wanted just to set my week up actually, and I thought I would do it whilst I'm with you chatting. I'm also going to be making dinner, and it's a recipe that I get asked loads about. It's inspired by the Pioneer Woman. It's chicken spaghetti casserole, and it's really easy, so delicious, and one of my favorite things to make at the moment. So I'm going to show you how I make it, because when I post a picture of it or mention it, I get asked for the recipe all the time, and I've adapted it from the Pioneer Woman recipe. I've made it even easier. So although I always point people in the direction of the original recipe, mine's actually quite different and much easier. So I will point you still in the direction of the original, because obviously that's where I found it, and obviously you'll get to see how I make mine today. So I hope you do enjoy this. But I need to get ready for the week, and I thought, what better way to do it, what better time than with you on a Monday morning. So that's what I'm doing. We are in April, so let's find my April pages. So I'm going to set the week up. I'm hoping that my husband will bring me a coffee whilst I'm doing this. I've got a May sticker sheet. I need to go and find an April sticker sheet, and I'm also going to plan my cleaning schedule, and I'm going to be doing my meal schedule with you as well. So I hope you enjoy this video today. Now, in case you haven't seen my planning videos, I use my own planning sheets, the Lollipop Box Club sheets. I love planning A5 size. It really works for me. So I'll link up the planner sheets for you below, and they come with stickers as well. So I like to use the stickers. So on Monday, the kids are going away. It feels really strange. They're actually going on their own mini holiday on a city break. So I'm going to really embrace it. I doubt I will sleep, but I'm going to really try and make the most of it actually. So I've got my coffee sticker here, and I'm going to make sure that we do Starbucks on our first night. We've actually got to leave the house at 3:30 in the morning to take them to the airport. They've got a really early flight. So I think usually I go for decaf, but I may actually go for a caffeine coffee on this particular day. And I'm also going to schedule in some speed cleaning. I'm going to really blitz the house whilst they're away. I always start my day once I'm downstairs with cleaning and admin. I have an early morning cleaning routine, and I get straight into my admin for work. Hate doing admin, so I always get it out the way with a coffee, and I have a YouTube video on watching some of my favourite YouTubers whilst I do it to make it slightly less painful. I'm also writing in a few other bits and pieces. I've got some payments to make in the week, so I'm using stickers. I do actually find by using stickers, it really highlights what you need to do. So I've done that. I've also got Anna's PlannerCon coming up this weekend, which I'm really looking forward to. Anyone else going to Anna's this weekend for the PlannerCon in Cambridge? Leave a comment below, and please do say hello. I've got a table there, so I'm going to be selling my wares, so come and say hello. So I've just used the little heart stickers there, just to remind myself exactly what I need to take, so hopefully I won't forget anything. What else is on here for the week? I'm also hoping, because I'm doing my kit packing super early this month, to free up some time in the week. I wanted people to be able to get their kits hopefully before Easter, those in the UK anyway. So I'm hoping to be able to really get some jobs done at home whilst the kids are away, some jobs that I've been meaning to do. So I'm kind of leaving my days whilst they're away a little bit free, getting all the admin and that done in the day. I still need to film Wednesday's video. I'm so excited about Wednesday's video. I'm collaborating with Kerry from Kerrymay. I will link her YouTube video, her YouTube channel down below for you, and we're making journaling cards with the current kit. So I'm really excited about doing that. We're both doing that for you. So that's happening on Wednesday. And then it's Easter weekend, so we haven't got too much planned. Holly's bringing her boyfriend over to meet us for the first time. He's at uni in Guildford as well. He was going to be on his own for Easter, and so we've invited him over to us, so that will be really nice. No, so my week's planned, and I'm now going to work on my meal planning and my cleaning schedule for the week. I always use this sheet here to do that. I always like to keep certain things separate, and I find this way really works for me. Now I've got to Monday, the kids are away, so it should be really easy to think of something to cook. Obviously we'll have been up since 3:30 in the morning, so I'm not going to want to fuss much. I'm just going to want something really quick. I can't think, so I've gone straight onto Pinterest. It's always my go-to place to find for recipes. I've got like recipes, I've got vegan recipes, so you can like separate them all up. We're not vegan, but Holly eats a lot of vegan, so I like to sort of separate them, Slimming World recipes and all that kind of thing. So I think I'm going to look for something that the kids wouldn't like, and I've instantly thought there's a recipe, this 1-pan pesto chicken. It's that first one on there, and you've basically got the chicken breasts on a pan, you've got your veggies, so courgettes, tomatoes, whatever you want, a blob of pesto on each chicken breast and grated cheese. You throw it all in the oven and you've got your whole dish. So I'm going to do that because the kids wouldn't eat that. And it's funny, I just could not think of anything to cook. Gone onto Pinterest, and that's the first thing in my recipes that I've been meaning to try, so I'm going to give that a go. My friend Cheryl's really got me into the tray bakes recently as well, and they're so easy. I've never really done a tray bake before, but it's everything on one tray to put in the oven. So sometimes I will put like chicken thighs with chorizo, potatoes, onions, whatever veg you want in there, so peppers, anything, throw it all in. A little bit of oil and seasoning, mix it all up, throw it in the oven, sort of like half an hour or however long it takes to cook, and the whole lot's done in one go. So you've got one pan to wash up, and the whole thing just tastes so good. Everything kind of takes on all the different flavors. So I'm really looking forward to that pesto bake. I might actually do the chicken and chorizo another day because I plan to do quite a lot. I'm going to be really busy in the week, and it's just a really easy way to cook. Tuesday we're out with friends, and Wednesday I'm going to do a baked frittata. I love frittata. It's almost like a quiche but without the pastry, and it's one of those meals where I do that and just loads of veg. So asparagus, we're going to have baked vine tomatoes, broccoli, just loads and loads of things like that. I love doing like Mediterranean style, like peppers, onions, herbs, garlic, all that kind of thing as well. So that is going to be on Wednesday. Thursday the kids are back, but we're picking them up like really quite late. So again, I want something that's quite easy. So I think I'm going to go back to Pinterest and see what takes my fancy. I am going to do pad thai. I love Thai food. I love noodles, and the kids don't like it. So we're just having meals that the kids don't like all week. So pad thai, Thai noodles is what we're going to have on Thursday. Now when you do your meal planning, it just makes it so much easier to make a shopping list, because now I can go through the menu, have a look at what we've got in the cupboards and what we don't have. I make up a list. That's my week's shopping list, and it's done. Just takes a few minutes, and it really keeps the money down as well. So that is going to be my weekly meal plan. I just do the weekend then. Right, Good Friday, traditionally it's supposed to be fish. So actually I'm going to do fish tacos Friday night, savoury rice and salad. Saturday, because we're at the Planacon, we've said that we'll pick up Domino's on the way home as a family treat. Easter Sunday has to be an Easter roast, so I'm doing a roast dinner. And I'm going to be making a Better Than Sex cake. It's a real family favourite. It's this really gooey chocolate cake with loads and loads of like caramel, cream and more chocolate. I did make this on video before because again, it's something that I get asked about all the time, and I'll link up that video below. It is the most amazing pudding cake you will ever eat. It's so good. So I think that's a definite for Easter Sunday. So that's my meal planning done. I'm going to write up some cleaning schedules as well. And I've just got the video to share with you now, the chicken spaghetti casserole or spaghetti chicken casserole, whatever you want to call it. I will share that video, share those clips with you now because I made that yesterday. It's really good. So to make this chicken spaghetti casserole, I've got the spaghetti broken up into 3 lengths. in the pot. I just use this cheap little spaghetti, nothing special. And I'm going to be adding cream of mushroom soup to another pan, chopping up an onion and adding a pepper as well. I've chopped the onion and the peppers up really, really small. You can add anything. You don't have to just add this. You could add peas, you could add mushrooms, celery, anything you fancy, anything you've got in the fridge, you can pop in. Sweet corn, anything like that. I've just been shredding a chicken, a cooked chicken. I always add cooked chicken to this recipe. And I'm now just going to pop this in the pan with the soup mix. I'm just draining off the pasta. Make sure it's al dente. You do not want it cooked too long because it's about to go in the oven. This now goes back in the pan with the other pan with the soup mix. I'm just stirring it all in. I never weigh things or measure things. This is for 2 of us. I've used half a pepper, half an onion, a bit of chicken, and more than enough pasta. And I might actually, I think it needs to be a little bit wetter, so I might add some milk. And now I'm going to grate loads of cheese. Again, I don't weigh it, I just do it to taste. I taste it as I make it. I like it really cheesy, so I will add quite a lot. And I always use a good strong vintage cheddar. And the secret ingredient, a little bit of cayenne pepper. It is spicy, so don't add too much. I just like a little bit of warmth. I pop the cheese in there with a drop of milk, and I'll add some seasoning to that as well. Do taste it as you go along so you know if you want extra seasoning or extra cheese. So I've emptied it all into my dish. I'm going to top it with grated cheese. In case you're wondering why it's just 2 of us, the kids are both working tonight at Waitrose and they hate this. So she's having a tuna salad and he's having tomato pasta when they get home. And I've topped with cheese and spring onions to pop in the oven. You don't have to add the spring onions, we just like it. And the oven is heated on 220 and I'm going to pop that in until it's brown and bubbly on top. And by the way, with regards to the soup, if you don't like mushroom soup, you could use chicken soup, vegetable soup, anything you fancy. I think a cream type of soup goes really well with this. And I haven't used a condensed soup either. This is just a regular tin of soup. I would recommend this more over like a packet soup because it's that bit thicker. Yeah, just use your favorite soup. This was enough for the 2 of us and I added a little bit of milk as well. And that took just 15 minutes and it's ready to dish up. It smells absolutely amazing. One of my favorite dishes to make. So I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Isn't it easy? Let me know if you try it. I would really like to know, and let me know what you think. You can obviously change the soup up. You don't, like I said, have to have mushroom. You can use whatever you want. I've added my cleaning schedule. I always like to do that in a different color. Going to be doing a different kind of cleaning schedule this week with it just being us home. So I hope to get lots done this week. Let me know, what have you got planned this week? Have you got anything interesting, anything nice planned? Are you going on a date? Are you going out with friends? Let me know what you're up to this week. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Like I said, Wednesday we have got the creative journaling, the journaling cards with Kerry, that video on Wednesday. Friday, what are we doing on Friday? I don't know what we're doing on Friday actually. I haven't actually planned that one yet. I'm not sure yet. There's a few things that could be on Friday. And Saturday is the Universal Studios video. I hope you're enjoying all the Disney or the Orlando videos at the moment. Let me know if you're watching them. I hope you are enjoying them. So have a great week and thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.